beautiful, welcome back to my channel. It's your fave Sandra B Lusati. So today I am actually taking down my faux locks. Like, this was actually a highly requested video by most of y'all, and I was like, why not just film it so that you can see how I take it down, because I do have a video on how I do this. If you haven't seen it already, like, you need to check it out. So yeah, I already cut like one of them, and then what I'm going to do is search for the cotton and then cut it out, but carefully so that I don't damage my hair in the process. Like, I had this for almost 2 months, because next week is supposed to be 2 months. Like, today is the, let me check, today is the 4th of August, and I'm supposed to take this out on the 17th. I think the 11th. No, the 11th is next week. So yeah, I'm just tired of it, and like, I really enjoy this style, like styling it, taking care of it. Like, this was a handful, but it was worth it. As you can see now, it's time to let it go. Oh my goodness, so hard. I feel like this is my own hair. If I had dreads, wow, I would look so cute, so beautiful. But it's gotta go. My hair has to breathe a little. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, I did cut this one, right? Let me look for the cotton. I sewed it right here, as you can see, like here. Oh yeah, here. Here's my braid. This is the braid. So what I'm going to do is just pull it out a little bit, and then you'll see like some cotton on it, and that's where we're gonna cut. Just be careful and be gentle when you do this. Make sure you have a mirror in front of you so that you don't make any mistakes, because we can't afford to lose our hair in the process. Okay, there it is. There's the cotton. So what I'm gonna do, like, take my scissor and just put it through. I'm not gonna like cut like this, right? I'm just gonna pull it upwards so that if my hair is snagged to the thing, it's not gonna break off. Okay, you just find it there. There we go. There we go. There's the cotton. There we go. And here I'm just gonna cut the spot out. Yeah. Ooh, see that? Simple. And our last bit. There we go. See how easy it is. Just find the cotton and cut it off. Okay. Get this one out. There it is. See that? Here is the cotton right here. So I don't cut it like this, I pull it up. And there we go. Find the other one. I think when you do this style, it's better if you do it with wool instead of cotton, because cotton really blends with your hair. So the back part of my hair, I did do it with wool, so it's gonna be easier for me to take it out. But yeah, here it is. Oh my goodness, like, I miss my hair so much. Oh my word, look at that growth. I like it when YouTubers are like, look at my hair, look how it's grown, like, look at this growth, look at that, oh my gosh. Yeah, but my hair has grown. So let me get to the rest of the hairs, and I will get back to you when I'm like in the middle somewhere, because wow, this is gonna take a lot of time, but patience is key. Okay, patience is key. because you wanted faux locks and now you have to take it down. Patience is key. So let me get to it. Oh, one thing I wanted to tell you, when you cut your hair, just make sure you cut it like where you rolled it, because like these two, see right here, I'm gonna cut it here. This is where I've rolled it like that, so cut it there so that don't cut your hair by accident. One down, actually 2 down, many more to go. I got it out. I would advise if you ask someone to help you, because they can see the cotton better than you can, and yeah, it's gonna make the whole process quicker, because like I'm struggling to see where the cotton meets my hair right now. So yeah, get help from someone you know is not going to chop off your hair. And there we go. This was so tiring. Actually, it's so tiring. Okay, I'm gonna take out as much as I can off camera, and then I'll come back to you with how much I've done so far. So yeah, taking down this part of my hair took me about 20 minutes, and yeah, I'm only left with like this section over here as well as this one. Then I'll be done. Then I'll get back to you. Then I'll show you. Yes, honey. Finally done taking out my hair, and man, was it a job. Like, ooh, it took about 6 hours to take this down, but yeah, this is how my hair is looking like right now. I know I look crazy, but my hair needs some hair therapy and just treatments and stuff like that. So thank you for watching this video. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video.